So I got a package. I'm so excited about this. So I went ahead and I purchased the limited edition new anti-humidity gels from Miche Beauty. A few weeks ago, they posted these gels, and as soon as I saw them, I said, hold up, where is my credit card? Because I have to get it. So I got all three. The first one we have here, this is their Golden Haze anti-humidity gel. Ooh, let's take a smell. Let's see what this one smells like. Ooh, look at the consistency, is pretty much the same. That smells really good. It kind of have like a bit of a floral scent, but this smells really, really good. So I'm excited about trying this one. The next one is their Sunset Peach one. This one looks so pretty. Let's take a look. It has the same consistency. Kind of like a clear white. Ooh, yeah, this has a nice peach smell. I really like this one. Wow, this smells so good. Yeah. And lastly, we have their whipped sugar anti-humidity gel. Same consistency. Now let's see for the smell. Oh, like pure sugar. Oh my God, so sweet. Ooh, I love this one. I think this is like, I just gotta smell it again. Oh, that smells really, really good. As you know, when it comes to my wash and goes, I love using a gel that has a really strong hold, just because I feel like my hair is a lot longer now. So I really want my wash and goes to last me a full week. And I personally feel like Miche's gels give my curls that hold. And overall, I just really love how my curls look throughout the week. You know, day one hair is looking great. You know, I have that strong cast, but throughout the week, you know, I still have that cast. It does soften up a little bit throughout the week, but you know, it's still a pretty good hold. So even for this wash and go, this is actually day 5 hair, and I went ahead and I use their Tropical Oasis anti-humidity gel. This is like my go-to gel for my wash and goes, and for it being day 5 hair, you know, it's looking really good. And I still have a bit of a gel cast, which is always a huge plus for me. I'm really excited about trying these gels for my next wash and go. Now that we're entering the fall season, I feel like my wash and goes do perform a lot better during this time of year. I feel like I get more longevity with my wash and goes, so I'm really excited about trying these gels. Let me know in the comments below, which gel should I try first?